Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm glad you're here. Today I have a Dollar General haul for you. I don't have a Dollar Tree that's near me, but I do have a Dollar General store that's right down the street. So that's where we go to get a lot of our cleaning supplies and our paper products. I spent a total of $32 today, and given the amount of paper products alone that I bought, I think that's pretty amazing. First, I got this 10-pack of ankle socks, all different colors and patterns. They're very thin. They're not going to last very long, but that's okay. For the price, I'm fine with that. I wear socks all the time. I don't often wear shoes, but I always have socks on, so I'm fine with these. Carpet Fresh, Pet Fresh. I know this isn't good. My glasses are sliding off. I know this isn't the best thing for your carpets, but I have a dog and the dog stinks, so I feel better having this in the carpet. And the lemon scented Fabuloso. Thank you, Missy at the Welder's Wife, for this recommendation. I love this stuff. I love the way it smells. I love how long the smell lasts. I think that's probably one of the main selling points. I really like the way it cleans. Don't get me wrong, it cleans very, very well, but I love how long the smell lasts. I got a little pink container of laundry dish soap because I don't have the Method and I didn't want to go to Target, so I like the Method containers, so I'm just going to fill this back up. I felt bad when I came home though, because I realized that Phil had stopped at the store for me yesterday and I forgot I had asked him to buy dish soap, and he already did, so I already had dish soap. I didn't even need this, but it's pink. I have it. I'm going to use it. I'll use them both. Picked up some end dust. Ashley from Till Vacuum Do Us Part swears by end dust, and our house is super, super dusty. We live in a wide open area. It's a lot of wind. So she says that this helps keep the dust away as well as clean your furniture. So I'm going to give this a try. Got a 10-pack of paper, a 6-pack of paper towels, 2 packages of lotion, 4-pack of toilet tissue for downstairs, and makeup remover. So again, I spent $32 in total. The paper products alone would have probably been $20 or $25 at the grocery store. So I'm really happy with what I got. The only thing I haven't tried before is the end dust. I'm sure I've tried it at some point and just didn't pay that much attention to it, or it's been long enough that it wasn't an issue. I don't really remember it. So I'm going to try it. Ashley swears by it, so I'm going to give it a shot. It gets very dusty in here all the time, so I'm excited to see if it helps not only clean the furniture and make the furniture look good, but help repel some of that dust for a little bit longer. I swear we can dust in here, and the next day it looks like we have never dusted in here. So I'm excited for that. Paper products, I'm just not going to spend that much money. I mean, literally, you wipe something down, you throw it in the trash. You use it on your bum, you throw it, it gets flushed down the toilet. I don't think it really should cost $10 or $15 per package, so I'm happy to get that from the dollar store. Kleenex, we just always need Kleenex. We have sinus issues, just in the house, allergy issues within the family, so that's always a necessity. And again, the dog smell just has to go away. I mean, that dog is groomed, deep groomed professionally every 6 weeks, and I just don't want any smell in the carpet whatsoever. And we have a son. Most of you will remember that our youngest son is a diesel mechanic, so the dirt in here is real, like it's real. He's really good about taking his shoes off at the front door, but it's on his jeans, it's on his clothes. He sits down, plays with the dog. So my cleaning products and the smell remover, super important to me. So that's my Dollar General haul, you guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. Give me a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button. Have a great day. We'll talk soon.